Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Salah YouTube channel. So today, let me just go straight into the video. I don't want to do an advertisement. So coming back to this video, yeah, you must have seen in the thumbnail that how to do a comparison of two files. So in fact, if you have used VS Code or something, some other tools, you do have a plugins where you can do the comparison. But coming back to the Visual Studio Code, because many times like we wanted to do the comparison of the same version of the files or like different files in for the various requirements. So in this video, I'll show you how to do the comparison. It's very simple. Just select two files which you want to compare, and right click on it and do a compare selected, and this will do the comparison. And if you want to add more files to it, you can add any number of files. It's not just two files. You can add any number of files. You can add four. Click on select for compare, and you will be taken to the comparison file mode. And that's, as I told you, it's very so simple. Just select any number of files you want and do a compare with selected, and you will be taken to the comparison. But yeah, but again, most probably like having two files to comparison is what the ideal scenario. So yes, so this is what I want to tell you. So if you want to compare two files, select those files. Any files, it can be any files from any folders. You can select them, right click on it, do a compare selected. So in the menu options, after you do the right click, you get to see all this option, the compare selected. Select it, and you can very well do the comparison. Yep, with that I come to the end of the video. If you're someone who is working as a SRE engineer or a performance tester or a DevOps engineer, or who is apply using VS Code on a daily day-to-day basis, this video would be very useful for you. So please do check it out. Give thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your friends. Take care and bye bye.